Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend, your sister Chigo Kings. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I created this gorgeous look as usual. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe, share, like and comment. Okay guys, let's get into it.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
So much guys for watching. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please share. It's free of charge. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.